Hi, let's take a quick look at what's making news this morning. The Supreme Court today refused to extend security to former Special Court Judge S.K. Yadav, who had delivered the verdict in the Babri demolition case. Now, the verdict in the Babri demolition case had acquitted senior BJP leaders like L.K. Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, and others. S.K. Yadav requested for an extension of his security in view of the sensitivity of the case, but the top court said that in this case, security extension is not required. RJD leader Tejashwi Yadav, who's leading the RJD campaign while his father Lalu Yadav serves a jail term due to corruption, has hit back at Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, asking, who had derided him in fact for turning to politics after being a cricketer. Tejashwi Yadav said that why can't cricketers join politics, and does that mean that even doctors and engineers can't serve in politics? His attack at Nitish Kumar comes a day before the second round of voting in Bihar. The 31-year-old leader also said that qualities like the sportsman spirit and leadership qualities and teamwork are all that he learned from his time in cricket. Finance Secretary Ajay Bhushan Pandey has hinted that the government may be giving another stimulus package, a financial stimulus package, but he hasn't given a time frame for that. He said, and I quote, "We keep monitoring the situation on the ground to assess which sector or which segment of the population needs what kind of help and at what time, and intervene accordingly." Baba Ka Dhaba owner, this Kanta Prasad, the 80-year-old man who owns a food joint in Malviya Nagar in Delhi, has now complained against the YouTuber who first shot his video and posted it online, and then that made him very popular. He said that the influencer Gaurav Vasan had in fact misappropriated funds that should have been received by the owner of Baba Ka Dhaba. He said that after posting the video online, Gaurav Vasan had in fact asked for donations and given bank account details of him and his families only, and diverted funds that should have come to Kanta Prasad, who runs the stall in Malviya Nagar. And it's being reported that Britain's Prince William contracted COVID-19 at a similar time that his father, Prince Charles, contracted the virus, but he kept the news secret according to reports because he did not want to alarm the nation. AMU student leader Farhan Zubairi has been booked for allegedly inciting religious hatred. Now, the FIR lodged against Farhan Zubairi reads that in a protest against French President Emmanuel Macron in Aligarh on Friday, Zubairi raised slogans that hurt the sentiments of a particular religious community and incited hatred. Now, Zubairi was leading a group of protesters who were raising slogans and demonstrating against French President Emmanuel Macron over his defense of the cartoons of Prophet Muhammad.